Hey, Francis here with the Texas Roadrunner channel. Wow, did you hear that? Let's check it out. All right, let's see who's at the door. Oh, I guess it was the UPS man. You know, they just drop off the package. Boy, this is heavy. Not sure if I can pick this up, hold the camera at the same time. This could turn into an unboxing video. All right, let's see what's inside here. Okay, I'm back with this heavy package. I think I know what it is. Let me get out my keys and boy, hell, this is tough to open. All right, here we go. Yep, I know what this is for. Get rid of this. Take a look. Let me pull it out. Ugh. It's a battery. All right, let me tell you more about this, okay? Now, the first step in this process is to take the battery cover off. Now, I'm gonna probably put this in the video and fast forward because you don't want to watch me do this for that long. Okay, we got the battery cover off. Now we got to take the old battery out. Now to take the battery out. One says a Sears Diehard battery, but the new one, just has a generic name on it. So let's put this one back in. Okay, now we'll just put the cover back on. One more. Okay, almost brand new. Let's start charging her up. Okay, what's the point of all that, right? Well, number one is save money, and I'll tell you why, because there's a lot of neat stuff out there on the market for portable power. Now, we're all familiar with these battery banks. This was what's the name of this one? Well, it doesn't really have a name. Oh, Easy AX. Okay, I don't know whether you can see this or not, but I don't know, it was about like 30 bucks a couple of years ago, and I used it, and it has saved my life when it comes to this stupid iPhone here. The battery in this iPhone was going bad and was getting big and was bulging. I'm surprised they didn't break the crystal. I mean, it was really bulging bad. But you know, this thing kept me up and going. The iPhone wouldn't keep power for more than, I don't know, 30 minutes, I guess. So it did save me on this did save me on a vacation. And then I was just, you know, on YouTube looking at more power banks and seeing what's out there. And I found this guy, or something almost like this. West Point Willie has a channel. West Point Willie is the channel, and I'll leave that in the description below. He was doing a review off this Filet. Actually, his was a 3-screen solar panel rechargeable power bank. This one I think is only like 2100 milliamp hours. This is, I think West Coast Willie's is about the same, like 21,000. This is like 25,000, and it has 4 solar panels. And I put it to the test. I've recharged my iPhone twice, a bank of 3 GoPro batteries once, and my iPad once. And what else did I charge? One of those extended batteries for your GoPro, and then I finally had to recharge this thing. Now, according to West Point Willie, he has a 3 solar panel one, and it took him about all day to get a recharge on his unit here. And I have not tested on how long it takes to do a recharge on this, but it did save me the other day when I was out on the road at work and I'm doing my visits to my different patients, and I don't know what happened. I couldn't keep my phone charged up, I couldn't keep my iPad charged up, and well, this saved me, okay? But anyway, when you're out there on Amazon and start looking at power banks, I saw a lot of neat stuff. Oh God, you know, like units from 400 watts, like that's a 400 watt unit there, all the way to 1200 and 1400 watt ones. You know, the really cool one out there is net zero, and but the price tag is so high. I wish I could have it, and then you can also recharge it with solar panels, but I'm not there yet, okay? So the point of this is, if you have these old emergency inverter things to recharge your car battery, or get your car or vehicle crank up again, and the battery goes out, hey, you can get them. In fact, I'll go ahead and place the link down below to this battery replacement website that I found this replacement battery on. But and then I have another project. So I was saving some money here, and I got some truck modifications I want to do on the electronic system, and you'll see that in another project, because you know, when I'm out at work or on vacation out on the road, like a road trip, I have my iPad up and running, I have this hooked up, I have my camera, you know, the road cam if you want to call it, and I have one other little device I don't want to talk about yet, but and I don't have any electrical feed in the back of my truck. So I'm going to do a project to rewire my electronic system in my truck. So until then, you guys be safe out there and take care. I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.